Hello, fourth graders. This is our special online music lesson, and today we're going to be talking about solfege. Now, what is solfege? Solfege, also known as pitch syllables, are note names that we give to notes. Those notes names are like do, re, and mi, which we've learned plenty about. And we're going to learn more about them today. Let's get started. So our I can statements are I can identify pitch syllables, I can follow a song's melodic direction, and I can identify the song's tonal center. So we're going to start way down yonder in the brickyard. We're going to go back and listen to Way Down Yonder in the Brickyard, and let's do that now.
Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me. Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me.
So this time we're going to listen to it again, but I want you to follow the song's melodic direction. So if you forgot what that is, melodic direction is how the melody moves. If it moves up, down, or stays the same, it's melodic direction, in case you forgot.
Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, step it down, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me. Oh, swing your lady, turn her around, remember me.
So here we see three different phrases from the song Way Down Yonder in the Brickyard, and they all have pitch syllables, do, re, mi, and so. Now my question for you is this. What are the words in the song that are matched to those phrases? So if I go back, I'm pretty sure it'd be difficult to just guess right now, but if you can hear those pitch syllables sung, and you know the distance between those notes, you may recognize the phrases. Let's listen. Here's phrase number 1. Mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Here's phrase 2. Do, re, mi. And here is phrase number 3. Mi, re, do. Now, if you thought that the first phrase was way down yonder in the brickyard, you are correct. And if remember me was do, re, mi, and mi, re, do, you are correct as well. Very good job recognizing those phrases. So what I'd like us to do now is we're going to use hand signs. So solfege has these hand signs that go along with them. Do, re, mi, and so are right there. So we can use our hands to show the solfege as we sing it. Let's do that with those phrases now.
Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Way down yonder in the brickyard, remember me. Oh, step.
So here we see the music for those phrases written out on the staff. Now, if we remember, we have our notes mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi, and we have do, do, re, mi, so, mi, or mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi, and mi, re, do. But the thing is that do is kind of weird. It's got this line through it, and it's below the staff. What is that? It's called a ledger line. Let's learn about it. This would be too hard to read. It really would be. It's just too much information. You have all of these lines, and having to try to figure out what that note is would be just way too complicated. You'd have to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, however many lines there are, too many lines. This, on the other hand, is a lot easier to read. There are just not as many lines, and it makes it way more easy, just simpler to be able to only have to worry about 5 lines. But as you probably have noticed, there are a lot of notes. In fact, on a piano alone, there are 88 different keys. So how can you possibly fit all of those notes on a piano into a staff? Well, we use ledger lines. A ledger line is an extra staff line that only exists if a note is on it. So we can avoid too many lines. So as you can see, we have this dotted line. This is the imaginary ledger line, and it doesn't exist until this note happens to be in that spot. So if you want that note to be below the staff, use that ledger line. You can have as many ledger lines as you need in order to have the music readable. So you can have 1 ledger line, 2 ledger lines, 3 ledger lines above or below the staff. So that way you don't have too many lines. So now we're going to move on to a new song. This song is called Fed My Horse. And I want you guys to take a listen to it. So let's go ahead and find our solfege in the song. So we're looking for those notes, do, re, mi, and so. So here we go. We have mi, so, mi, and we have mi, re, do down here. But what about this note right here? We've got this weird note above so. Well, if you remember back, note that is above so is la. So we have mi, so, mi, la, so. And it would sound like this. Mi, so, mi, la, so. That is how that sounds. So those are our notes in the song. Do, re, mi, so, and la. But wait! How can this note in our song, Fed My Horse, mi, re, do, how can that be the same do as that? How is that possible? Well, there is a reason. No, seriously, there is a reason. And that is something called movable do. You often hear do at the beginning and end of a song. Do can be written on any line or any space of the staff. If do moves, the other pitches also move. So when we did our song, And we had do down here. The next note up would be re, then mi, and then so. But when we did the song Fed My Horse, it moved all the notes up with it because do can move. It's how we're able to have any song be able to be sung, because if you can move do into a range that fits the singer, then all the notes move with it and you can still sing the song. So, for example, in the song Fed My Horse, when at the end it goes mi, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. I could change that to mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. Or I could go mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. I can move do wherever I need it in order for me to be able to sing that song. All right, fourth graders, I hope you enjoyed that lesson on some solfege. We now know that la is above so, and that do can move. So if do is going to be low, then all the notes move with it. If do goes up higher, all the notes move with it as well. Until next time, go Leopards!